In Lesson 8 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, we extend the scales and arpeggios of C major and A minor to 2 octaves. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. This provides explanations, fingerings, exercises and a 6-day practice plan. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. In terms of fingering, the upper octave of C major is easy, as the fingerings are the same as in the lower octave of F major. Some work may be needed to learn to produce a clear and unforced sound at the top of the scale and arpeggio. The main advice is that brute force is never the answer. Neither using a harder reed nor biting is likely to improve production of these notes. It is well known that the clarinet squeaks easily. Well, what is a squeak? It's a high note that you don't want. So you can't have it both ways. If it's easy to squeak, it's easy to get high notes. In the scale of C major, you cross the break using the natural break fingering pattern, crossing from A to B, followed by C. Here is the scale of C major for 2 octaves. And here is the arpeggio of C major for 2 octaves. In the scale of A minor, you will need to include the raised 7th note, G sharp, in the 2nd register. This is obtained with the 5th finger of the left hand. You may initially find the finger coordination a little awkward, both in terms of combining and separating movements of the 4th and 5th fingers in the left hand, and in terms of coordinating between the 2 hands. Exercise 10 will help with this. Here is the scale of A minor for 2 octaves. And here's the arpeggio of A minor for 2 octaves. In Practice Plan 8, as well as playing through Exercise 10, you are instructed to drill 12 items each day. If you have worked through all the previous practice plans thoroughly, this should still only take about 3 minutes. Be sure to tick all the boxes as you go to keep a record of what you have done.